Harvest Festival in Kerala. Onam. Onam is an annual holiday festival celebrated in southern India, state of Kerala. According to Vaishnavism mythology, the defeated Devas approached Vishnu for help in their battle with Mahabali. Lord Vishnu, in his incarnation as a dark Brahmin called Vamana, approached the generous king while he was performing a yajna and asked for a wish. Mahabali granted the Brahmin boy a wish. Mahabali's guru Shukracharya warned the king against granting the wish as he realized that Vamana was no ordinary person. But Mahabali believed that there is no greater than going back on one's promise. Vamana's request was simple, 3 pieces of land, and the king agreed to it. Assuming his real form, Lord Vishnu in his guise of Vamana then expanded his stature and scaled the entire universe in 2 steps. Then the noble king offered his head for Vamana to place his 3rd step, and with that step, Vamana ousted Mahabali to the underworld. Since the king was so attached to his kingdom and peoples, Lord Vishnu granted him permission to visit once a year. Thiruvonam is considered to be the day when King Mahabali comes from exile to visit his beloved people. Onam is a harvest festival celebrated by Malayalis whose date is based on the Panchagam and falls on the 22nd nakshatra Thiruvonam in the month of Chingam of Malayalam calendar, which in Gregorian calendar overlaps with August to September. Onam is a major annual event for Malayali people in and outside Kerala. It is a harvest festival, one of 3 major Hindu celebrations along with Vishu and Tiruvadira, and it is observed with numerous festivities. Onam celebrations include Vallam Kali, Pulikali, Pookalam. Onam is celebrated as a cultural festival across all communities in Kerala.
Lohri is popular Punjabi winter folk festival celebrated primarily in the Punjab region. The significance and legends about the Lohri festival are many, and these link the festival to the Punjab region. It is believed by many that the festival commemorates the passing about the winter solstice. Lohri marks the end of winter, and it is a traditional welcome of longer days and the sun's journey to the northern hemisphere by Sikhs and Hindus in the Punjab region of the Indian subcontinent. It is observed the night before Makar Sankranti, also known as Maghi, and according to the solar part of the lunisolar Bikrami calendar, and typically falls about the same date every year. Lohri is observed as Laloi in the Sindhi community. Lohri is linked to the Bikrami calendar, and it is celebrated the day before the festival of Maghi celebrated in India as Makar Sankranti. Lohri falls in the month of Poush, and it is set by the solar part of the lunisolar Punjabi calendar, and in most years it falls around 13th January of the Gregorian calendar. Lohri songs mention the Indian sun god asking for heat and thanking him for his return. Other legends explain the celebration as a folk reverence for fire or the goddesses of Lohri. Yet another folklore links Lohri to the tale of Dula Bhati. The central theme of many Lohri songs is the legend of Dula Bhati, who lived in Punjab during the reign of Mughal Emperor Akbar. He was regarded as a hero in Punjab for rescuing Hindu girls from being forcibly taken to be sold in slave market of the Middle East. Amongst those who saved were 2 girls, Indri and Mundiri, who gradually became a theme of Punjab folklore. As a part of Lohri celebrations, children go around a home singing the traditional folk songs of Lohri with Dula Bhati name included. One person sings while others and each line with a loud ho, sung in unison. After the song ends, the adult of the home is expected to give snacks and money to the singing troupe of youngsters.